What is up, Insomniacs? Midnight Sun 518 here with Airsoft. We're heading out to the fields right now, so should be fun. Should be a great time. I got a new scope for my sniper rifle, and I'm really looking forward to it because I'm going to be able to use it. It's going to be great. I should have a friend showing up, so it's not just going to be me. I'm a lonesome. I have a teammate. But anyways, yeah, should be fun. So see you when we get there. So naturally, as it would have it, the airsoft field that I was planning on going to, which is my favorite one on planet Earth so far, is closed today. They used to be open like every Sunday, and all the, you know, retired military and veteran players and shit would get together and do like dope ass like hostage situations and all that sort of stuff. It was really cool, but apparently I don't do that anymore. I don't know why, but oh well, I guess. So I'm heading over to a different field. Never been there, and hopefully it's good. We'll see. Hey, I'm pushing up to the next house over here.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging on till the hits come in all caps.
Hey John,
I ain't gonna lay back,
I'm gonna push up to the next little barricade.
Like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop us. I'ma steal everybody's name, cut a shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy.
We got one guy right behind. There's a green wall, far side. He's behind the black barrier on the right. Hey, I'm gonna push right.
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stay in bad. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
Oh, shit. Hey, I'll call that. I'll call it. You failed me, bro. If I had a pistol, I could have taken him out, dude. I pulled it out and I pulled the trigger and it didn't do anything.
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it no cap. Only got one.
Hey, I'm gonna move up to the blue barrels right here because we got one of our guys on the left side who's holding pretty good right there. Hey, we got one guy inside of the plywood building. Sorry.
I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a bike on rap. What I like real fast, up until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact.
Hell yeah. Man,
You're a tough one to get, dude.
I knew the moment I crossed that bridge, you couldn't snipe me.
It's so hard to hit you with all these freaking trees, dude. Careful, there's a stick there. Hey guys, we got one dude behind the blue barriers. I'm gonna push right, see if I can do the back. Oh, Jesus Christ. You scared the piss out of me. We got one dude coming up on the right side. I don't know where he went, but he's here. Nailed it.
I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind, I'm
walking out there.
On the right?
Yeah, look.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah.
Just walking, bro.
I've got him. I don't know. Being casual so it doesn't look like he's trying to get to us. Huh? Nope. Oh, we got him. That's crazy.
Let's go. Yo.
Plaid coming from behind.
Do I gotta have it? I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest.
Plaid coming from behind.
Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Plaid moving up back. Plaid moving up back. Good run, bro. Sorry, bro.
Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same.
I'm really digging this ACOG.
That's what it takes.
Thing's awesome. Peek. That's 3. Oh, hit. Damn, son. I didn't even see you coming. I don't remember where our respawn is. That was good.
Hey guys, so unfortunately my camera battery died at the very last, I don't know, 2 minutes of the last round, and I had an epic run, which is pretty crazy. There was 2 guys, well, I thought there was only one inside of this trench thingamajig, and anyways, I went to rush him and drop a grenade in the trench, but the second dude that I didn't know was there popped up and just freaking unrailed. It was crazy, but unfortunately I didn't film. Also, it looks like there's some blurred kind of view on the second half of all the stuff, and that's because my GoPro got shot. So it's all, you know, cracked and shattered, which is great. So I gotta fix that, but that's why the footage is a little bit blurry. So bear with me. I'm sorry, but yeah. So hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please drop a like and a subscribe, and come back on the next Airsoft video whenever that happens. Honestly, I am not sure at the moment, but this is gonna be sick. Yeah, the sniper rifle is amazing. Obviously, it's a different day because it's that way light outside. But I did get the GoPro fixed, so it is all shiny and new. There's only one vendor that I could find on Amazon that sells replacement GoPro lenses, and I contacted GoPro, the company, and I love the product, but I'm gonna be honest with you, customer service freaking sucks, man. Because I emailed them and I said, hey, I broke my GoPro lens. Is there any way that you guys do replacement lenses, sell them or whatever? I was like, I'll buy lenses, I'll send it in to you, and you know, maybe I'll pay for you guys to fix it, something. I just want to be able to use my GoPro again. And I got a phone call from them in response to the email. I told them it was fine to call me. Anyways, they called me and they were like, yeah, we can't help you because you're not under warranty. And I was like, but I'm paying to get it fixed. They're like, yeah, we can't help you. So yeah, they can, you know, pack sand. That's pretty messed up from a company, and I'm very, very, very disappointed in the fact that their customer service was at that level. There was no, oh, you know, maybe if you mail it in, whatever. I'm annoyed with it, but I did find a vendor on Amazon that sells GoPro Hero 8 lenses. I'm sure they have other ones as well, but that's just the one that I have. So I'll drop a link in the description. So if you guys have broken GoPro Hero 8 lenses, show them some love. Product is amazing. I mean, it's literally a piece of glass with some foam and some tape. $10. Good as new. But the second thing, this thing is freaking amazing. Oh my god! It is the coolest thing. Let me throw this on real quick for you, so you can see what I was kind of looking at. So while I'm playing the rounds, right, I have, oh god, I can't really let you zoom in on it, but you can kind of see the green crosshairs in there inside of the lens. So that is a 4x zoom, and it goes up to a 10x zoom. And then the holographic sight on top, I don't even know if you can really see it too well. There it is. You can change what the crosshairs is, but because I bought a legitimate scope, this thing sights in. It's freaking accurate as hell. So while I'm going down, you know, playing in the game and that kind of stuff, I can use that holographic sight on top to, you know, kind of track where everybody's going, and you know, maybe do some quick shots or something like that. It makes it super easy to get people on the run. But you know, if they're at a distance, right, I can use that holographic to kind of get the general location of where I'm looking at, and then I can pop down on that you know, 4 to 10 times scope and really, you know, sight in on where they are. It's super cool, and I am absolutely stoked. This thing is amazing. It's really transformed this sniper rifle itself, and I have plans in the future to go ahead and do there's a couple of companies that do the plunger upgrades and spring upgrades in order to make this thing shoot farther and harder, and I can shoot .45s out of it instead of the .3s that I'm shooting right now, and get even more distance. So this thing is amazing, super cool. But I definitely need to have a secondary, as you saw in that first round when I got freaking obliterated. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed. That's my rant on GoPro and my
love of the Strike something, whatever this rifle is, I don't remember. But yeah, please come back next time. There will be more airsoft content, I promise you. It just takes a lot because I work a lot to be able to get out to the field when they're open, because they're only open on the weekends, and I work most weekends. But yeah, I'll be getting more content out to you guys as soon as I can. I hope you have enjoyed. Please come back. Please see me again. Please like and subscribe. I am so happy when you do that. It makes me feel really good on the inside. But I'm going to stop ranting. See you guys next time. Midnight Sun out.